Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. This is my first vlog of January, so I want to wish everyone a very happy new year. So today I'm wandering around in Marylebone area of London. I will show you around some of my most favorite places. So grab a cup of coffee, make yourself comfy and watch my vlog. I'm always fascinated by beautiful flowers, so I was just passing by this lovely flower shop and made some clips. This organic store grabbed my attention. It's called Baylis and Sage. It's on the Marylebone High Street, and they sell from fresh bakery items to many more interesting things. I was tempted by their mouth-watering bakery items. I love their loaf cakes and brownies. If you ever get a chance, please do visit this store because they never compromise on the quality of their fresh food and many more things. Also, these are the beautiful fresh flowers on display. Oh my goodness, the bouquets were so beautiful and fascinating. I think the best January blues cure is to buy fresh flowers. It's so relaxing and calming, and it gives me happy vibes and positivity. I think flowers are so essential for our well-being. Flowers create a calming and soothing environment. They reduce stress and promotes relaxation. So, Daunt Books is one of my favorite places. It's an independent chain of bookshops in England, founded in 1990 by James Daunt. It originally specialized in travel books. In 2010, it began publishing. James Daunt later became the managing director of Waterstones. So later I spotted Sherlock Holmes Museum. It lovingly recreates the gaslit world of London's iconic detective and its Victorian surroundings. It was opened in 1990 and now attracts thousands of visitors. Now you're looking at the Wallace Collection Museum. Here you will see paintings, sculpture, furniture, porcelain, and much more. In Wallace Collection, you will see 18th century French art, many important 17th and 19th century paintings, medieval and Renaissance works of art. Also beautiful chandeliers and precious furniture to cherish and opulent furnishings. Whenever you come to London, please do visit this place. The nearest tube station is Bond Street. I highly recommend this place if you are fond of paintings, artifacts, and chandeliers. The rooms are so fascinating and beautifully decorated. The collection is so stunning and magnificent. I enjoyed looking at them. Such a lovely experience to be around this amazing stuff. Allow yourself an ample amount of time to take in all the pretty stuff. There's a cafe as well, so you can just relax and unwind. If you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you. So many paintings to see and enjoy. Well, I think art can have a positive impact on people's physical and mental health, as well as their sense of connection to others. Actually, I read somewhere that looking at art can increase blood flow to the brain, which can improve your mood. Art is also some sort of therapy that can help people express complex feelings and promote self-awareness, and it can also help people feel better and more connected to others, which can improve emotional well-being as well. So overall, I think art engages the heart, stimulates the mind, promotes conversation, increases creativity, and helps us look at things in new ways. Please tell me in the comments, what do you think? Wow, this room is so stunning. It's filled with beautiful chandeliers, precious furniture, and opulent furnishing. Each room is unique and stunning. It's decorated with magnificent paintings, artifacts, precious furniture. Now you're looking at the beautiful art gallery. I must say that the original works of art provide the owner with both visual appeal and a glimpse into the insight and genesis of the artist. For me, art is so essential. It allows us to have a deeper understanding of our emotions. It increases our self-awareness and also allows us to be open to new ideas and experiences. Some more beautiful flowers to uplift your senses. If you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Take lots of care. Bye.